Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can effortlessly remove algae from your fish tank using only natural methods. Algae can be a common problem in fish tanks, but few simple steps you can keep it under control and maintain a healthy environment for your fish. So, number one, algae-eating fish. One of the most effective ways to control algae in your fish tank is by introducing algae-eating fish. Some popular options include Siamese algae eaters, plecos, and mollies, but there are many more. These fish will happily munch on algae throughout the day, helping to keep your tank clean and clear. Number two, snails. Another natural solution for algae control is adding snails to your tank. Snails like nerite snails and mysterious snails are great at eating algae and can help to keep your tank looking pristine. Just be sure to monitor their population, as they can reproduce quickly under the right conditions. Number three, put plants in your aquarium. Adding live plants to your fish tank can also help to reduce algae growth. Plants compete with algae for nutrients in the water, making it harder for algae to thrive. Plus, live plants create a more natural and beautiful environment for your fish. 4. Deep substrate. Maintaining a deep substrate in your tank can also help to prevent algae growth. A deep substrate provides a place for beneficial bacteria to thrive, which can outcompete algae for nutrients in the water. Also, deep substrate will help filter your water, so fish waste, extra food and everything else will actually precipitate down through the sand and stay in the sand, stay out of your water column. That's why we would highly recommend 2.5 or 3-inch substrate out of sand. In conclusion, by incorporating these natural methods into your fish tank maintenance routine, you can effortlessly remove algae and keep your tank looking clean and healthy. Remember to monitor your tank regularly and make adjustments as needed to maintain a balanced ecosystem for your fish.